Measurement range. Temperature compensation range. Premium material, fine craftsmanship. Composite glass electrode. Adjustable electrode holder. Standard buffer solution. pH combination electrode. Plug in the power cord. Adjustable telescopic bracket. Multiple placement holes. Electrode cable restraint. Flexible activities. Click the power button. Remove the protective cap. Immerse the electrode in the standard calibration solution. Press the positioning key to calibrate. Confirm the values. Immerse the electrode in another standard calibration solution. Press the slope key to calibrate. Calibration completed. Gently block the electrode probe dry. Immerse the electrode in the calibration solution to be tested. Select pH or MEV mode. Manual temperature correction.